Hey YouTube, this is RandomMan981, and today I'm here to show you how to make a LEGO M72 LAW Rocket Launcher from Call of Duty 7 Black Ops for your minifigure. So these are the pieces you'll need. 5 of these big 2x2 cylinders. 1 stud. 1 claw piece that goes the same way of the dot. 4 claw pieces that go the opposite way of the dot. 2 pipe pieces. 2 pieces that have the cylinder attached onto it. 2 cylinder pieces. 2 rocket pieces. And 1 4x1 thin piece. So, the first thing you'll need are 2 of your big cylinders. So then you just connect them together like that. Then you build your sights. You put the claw piece that goes the same way there. That. Stud right next to it. Like that. And you take your two claws that go the opposite way. Put them facing down like that. Then put your pipe inside them, like that. Then take your cylinder, attach it on, take another cylinder, attach that on, and then take your 2 claw pieces that go the opposite way and put them facing down, like that. Then put your pipe inside them, like this, that. Then take your 2 1x1 cylinder pieces, put them facing out, like that. Then take your 2 regular cylinder pieces and put them in on the bottom facing the pipe that your person holds onto, like that. And then you take the rockets and just stick them all the way in the top of the cylinders, like that. And that. Oops. And then take your 4x1, put it on top of this, like that. And then lastly, you take your last big cylinder piece and put it on the back like that. So that's how you make my custom M72 LAW for your LEGO minifigure. So here is when he's holding it, like that. So don't forget, rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to build more LEGO guns for you guys to see, just leave me a comment under one of my LEGO videos, and I'll try and make it. If I can, I'll post the video. Okay, thanks.